Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to send photos through email. So in order to send photos through email, you have to make sure that your account is up to date, and along with that your device is connected to an internet service. So for that case, you have to go ahead and open up your Gmail application. And when you go ahead and locate Gmail, here go ahead and select the compose button. First of all, you need to select the account from which you actually want to send it and to whom you actually want to send it. So type in the receiver's address and then type in the subject that you wish to do it. And as per the compose email, you can type in some sort of details about the information or about the photo, and click the paperclip icon from the top right, and accordingly you'll be able to see two different options, that is either to attach file or insert from drive. So in my case, I'm going to go with insert from drive and select my drive if you have stored it right on this page, and then select the following image or the photo that you wish to send and click on select located right at the bottom. Here you can see that the image has been selected, and click the arrow icon from the top right. Accordingly, you've successfully sent photo through email. So that's how you can send photo through email. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.